Fantastic. So what are the core challenges then for the industry, and what solutions are needed?
Probably the most significant challenge that the industry faces right now is financing. We are existing, and I have a slight bias in that because I work in that sector, but I think most of the participants in this conference would agree that we are in a capital-constrained environment, and it is very challenging for a company who's developing these new technologies to find capital. There is a reasonable amount of funding available for doing your core research, but once you've established proof of concept and you begin the commercial path, the traditional funding sources, unfortunately, are not available. Over the last 10, 15 years, there has been a flight of venture capital from early stage technologies. The venture capital community, unfortunately, did not do very well in the 2000 to 2008 time frame when the stock market took some pretty significant hits, and that caused a number of venture guys, most venture guys, to move from investing in early stage to later stage companies. Unfortunately, that coincided with the development of this technology. Many very promising technologies were emerging from academic centers where that core research had been done and were in need of the kind of commercial funding that has historically been available for biotech, and it just wasn't there. So funding is one of the major challenges that the industry faces. There are a host of others that are on the horizon that we are dealing with one at a time. They have more to do with getting the healthcare system and reimbursement folks familiar with this technology. Regenerative medicine technologies are cell-based, and that's a different model than pharmaceuticals. And there's a whole learning curve that needs to be climbed by the folks on both on the regulatory side and the reimbursement side about some of the issues involved with that. I think those are all issues that are being addressed, but we're having some growing pains. We'll get there.